Question is, if complex number z is equal to log of -1 plus iota, then real part of z is first option is -1, second 1 upon 2 log 2, third √2, and 4 is 0. Now we will see how to find the real part of the complex number, this z. The z complex number is expressed in the logarithmic form. Now -1 plus iota is equal to, we will write this complex number in a, first of all, in a polar form. So modulus of -1 plus iota is under the root -1 square plus 1 square, which is 1 plus 1 is √2. And we know the polar equations. X is equal to r cos theta. This is r, modulus of complex number r. And here x is -1, so -1 is equal to √2 cos theta, which implies cos theta is -1 upon √2. And y is equal to r sin theta, which implies, here y is the imaginary part, so coefficient of iota is 1 equal to √2 sin theta, which means sin theta is 1 upon √2. Now see, cos theta is negative, sin theta is positive. It means theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive and cos is a negative. So 1 upon 2. This is minus cos pi upon 4. The standard value of cos pi by 4 is 1 upon √2. So this can be written like this, cos pi minus pi by 4. Here also we can write this as sin pi by 4. And sin pi by 4 can also be written like this, pi minus pi by 4. So these two values are equal. Therefore, argument of the complex number is pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. Now the polar form of this complex number become √2 into cos 3 pi by 4 plus iota sin 3 pi by 4. This is the polar form. Therefore, -1 plus iota is equal to √2 into e raised to power iota 3 pi by 4. This is the Euler form. Now take logarithm both sides. Log of -1 plus iota is equal to log of √2 into e raised to power 3 pi by 4. Now, which is equal to log √2 plus log e raised to the power iota 3 pi by 4. Here the base is e. We know, we will use here again the formula. Here power of 2 is 1 by 2. So log of 2 raised to power 1 by 2 plus log of here e raised to power iota 3 pi by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 log 2 plus iota 3 pi by 4 into log of e. Here base is e. We know log of e to the base is 1. Now see, this is the complex number. So z is the complex number -1 plus iota is equal to 1 upon 2 log of 2 plus iota 3 pi upon 4. Here this is the real part and this is imaginary part of this complex number. Therefore real part of z is 1 by 2 log 2 and imaginary part of this complex number is 3 pi by 4. Now if a complex number is given in logarithmic form, we have first of all write in the polar form and then Euler form and take logarithm. So this is the this form will become the standard form of the complex number. Means standard form means the Cartesian form. We mean the Cartesian form. So we can, from the Cartesian form, we can clearly see the real part and the imaginary part. So the real part of this complex number is 1 upon 2 log 2 and imaginary part of this complex number is 3 pi by 4. So the correct option in this question is 1 upon 2 log 2. So this question, with this question we can practice the polar form, Euler form and logarithmic form. How to convert logarithm form into the standard Cartesian form of the complex number.